Hello everyone, my name is Raman Negi and today I am going to present to you a gamified habit tracker that I have been working with. So let's just register on this platform with a demo account. So we will name it and let's just make a demo email that we can register with, and we will do our credentials. And now let's log in with our demo account. So here it's our demo account and we have to put our password. And now here I welcome you to the gamified habit tracker, where a user can track its habit and gamified, so he will get reward for working on its habits. So here are some features that we will talk about later on. So it's a footer of our website. Let's start with features. First feature, customizable habit list. So here, as you can see, is a habit list tracker. Let's just start with, here I have put a task, and we can put and differentiate it with the category, and it's a high priority task for me, so I will put. And now we can put a timer as well for our habits. Let's just add it. So as you can see, the task is added and it collectively store data with a card formation, and card operations are going on. It maintains a list. Now we can add another task like reading, and just so as I complete a task, it maintains the progress of my task, and I have differentiated with like it have its own category, so it can be differentiated by it. And for a day, it can track my habit, what I have done for the day. I can add new category as well. So let's say books. I have added new category books. There I can add new habit as well. So this is our first feature, and now it's a weekly streak. So as you have used LeetCode and GitHub streak management, so it's kind of same like that. It stores your streak and days you have done work with, and based on that you get rewarded in your dashboard that we will see after a few minutes. And now let's see our notification and reminder module. So the thing we added in to-do list, the learning, we can put notification for that in here. So as you can see, we can put notification for that, and we can put notification frequency. We can custom our days, or we can do selectively. We can add a note here. As same as in to-do list, we have priority character category that we can put on, and the reminder will be set as such. And as per we complete our task, we will get reward for that in our dashboard. We can customize them, we can delete them, and it's our health matrix for the daily, how we are using it daily. It shows that it's a setting that here we can import our data, export our data, or clear our data. It's a JSON file with list on it that records our data that we can download as well. And this is our progress matrix. As you can see, the progress we are completing it directly reflecting on this page. And if we delete it, you can see that the changes are going on dynamically. So functionality is going on perfectly, and you can see we have this chart. Let's head to next functionality, challenges and quests. So challenges, quests, and the quote of the day. It's a random generation, and we have put some of it in backend that hitting it generates a random or new challenges as such. And here it is. So here is our module of XP and levels. So here you can see here the ID we used, our demo account. It's saying hi welcome with our demo name. Here you can add a habit to track it. Based on that, we have our XP system. Here I'm adding learning a new skill. As you can see, it is added on the list. And in the completion of that, I get some amount of XP that I will get rewarded with. Here it's notification system that I have completed and that we removed that habit from the list. And here the level based on XP, how we are getting our level. As you can see, the player is level 15 right now, and here is a badge and progress visualization. So it's upgrading dynamically. If I add my levels, the chart will increase as such. Now let's head to our game collector and games. Habit collector game is a fun integrated game in this habit tracker that user can play for fun. Just we have to collect good habits, and on collecting on those we get a score for that. It's just a fun game, just additional functionality, and we can reset it. And now let's habit matching game. So it's like a matching as we used to do in school, just for fun. We have added this module to making this website more intriguing and user friendly, just for user experience. And this is habit slot machine. So user have to spin it to get a task, and in completion of that, user gets some XP that will be reflected on his dashboard. Here we got 2 exercise and 1 apple. Here meditation for 3 minutes, drink 8 glasses, eat healthy. In completion of that, you can just complete it and you will get XP for that. And same as that, we have habit puzzle game. We have to add on habit to solve the puzzle. Evening exercise for 30 minutes. Exercise for 30 minutes in evening. Evening exercise for 30 minutes. A simple. Well, and here it's like an event type for the user, where a user can earn the bonuses for the XP, and Through those bonuses, you can unlock feature for the website. Here we have some modules that user can just have fun with. Here, if a user is more into in physical exercise, we got here are memo, as you can see, for the exercises. See how to do basic jogging. Here jumping jacks, plank, push-ups, pull-ups. So user can get track of it. And we have added some books that user can read for its mental peace. Atomic Habits is such a nice book. Power of Now, 7 Habit Highly Effective People. These books are purely virtual and user can read them. Practice Gratitude is more like a diary for a user to maintain if you wanna. Let's just start for picking, like I have chosen a random date, and at that date for that day I have like expressed my gratitude or filled in my diary. As we save entry, there is a chart, and this saving happens dynamically in backend. We have stored all the data for the user. So let's move to new module. It's a screen time tracker for a user. A user can enter entries for the day, like I'm a user, I'm using my mobile for certain amount of time. So as its habit tracker, I can put on like how much time I have spent in social media, entertainment, or work and productivity. So it keeps all the metrics of these parameters for the date, like what I have put, like 18th of April. We can delete it. We can see what we have done for the day. Let's move to new feature, Stay Hydrated. It's basically a reminder for your hydration. You can put your name, email, and get registered. It's basically hydration reminder that you have to drink a certain amount of water or any hydration drink. Here are some benefits of staying hydrated. Let's just put on our demo email. And here we can set daily goals, like we have set like 2000 milliliter, and the progress we have done. It keeps track of that dynamically too. And here we have our sleep tracker that user can fill daily, that how much he or she was able to sleep. So the website keep track of it dynamically. And as sleep is a very important thing for us, here we have set our bedtime that we are going at bedtime and when did we wake up. We can adjust our sleep quality, sleep data set. That data has been saving in PHP MySQL all along. So let's move to our last module. It's basically about micro learnings and mostly about our technical learnings, technical micro learnings. To stay relevant in job market is very necessary. Here we have like web development and data science, and here you can put your email to get notified for newsletters. So this page is basically a newsletter that user can put on or have for daily micro learnings. So let's talk about backend. Here it's a user backend. As you can see, our demo account is registered here, which is fully functional. Backend is fully functional, and here the sleep data that we have put on, as you can see, and hydration data. The daily limits, it's all functional. This is about us page. The whole team details are here. PHP was used for backend, and data collection was MySQL. HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS, jQuery, JavaScript was used. So Vision is a fun interactive platform that helps users to build, maintain positive habits through gamification. So it's basic vision for the website. Mission to empower users to build positive habits by providing engaging, rewarding, and gamified experience. So you should choose gamified habit tracker. Why? So it's basically answer for that. So it's our contact us page. Let's just show you how it works. You will put your email and your query for the app, like I'm writing here. TRACIFY-A is not working fine, and as I send message in my Google Sheet, it will get registered. As you can see, username, email, and the query has been registered. For the last, this is a TRACIFY-A, an AI assistant that we have integrated with our website. So let's just use it, explain about habits and habit tracker. So it's a NPL based model, and we have used Gemini API for its services. As you can see, it's telling about habit and habit trackers. As you can see, output is well formatted, and it's a conversational AI, so it keep records of your previous NPL queries. So as you can see, it is providing me with result. So it was most about our website. So thank you for watching.